Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial to make this beautiful celestial necklace with this dangle right here. I used the labradorite, the mermaid beads, the little moon pendants, and the moon and star pendants. And I attached everything like this. And then I used the toggle clasp. So I used these head pins that already had the hole at the other end, so then I could put them down and then make the hole afterwards to make them fit. So yeah, I'm really happy with the way this turned out. So pretty. I hope you guys have been enjoying this box. I already did another tutorial where I did a pretty long necklace, and it had all the strands, and I added some pink to it and everything. So I will leave the link below to that tutorial as well. And if you would like to learn how to make this necklace, then stay tuned. Okay, so I've already taken all of these pieces and I attached them just to try and make the video a little shorter. I used a head pin, and then I made it like this, so it was on both sides. So I started with this right here, and I have the mermaid bead and the labradorite, and yes, okay. So now I'm just going to connect these. I think these are supposed to be like this actually, but I kind of, I'm liking it like that. So, okay. So I'm just turning this open and attaching this. And then putting it back like that with all of them. So this is part of the dangle. I love me some dangle. We all know that. I didn't really, other than, I'll show you. Oh. I like my round nose pliers for this because I like to, they kind of fit into the hole. Okay, and I also, let me show you these. I did use these little flower bead caps on the sides of everything except for the labradorite chips. So I have that. So this is my cool little dangle here. And now I'm going to take head pin, open it up. I'm going to put it between there. Then I'm going to put this one in there and that one in there. And I'm going to close it back up. Okay. So this is the beginning of the necklace. Then taking that, opening that up, putting this in there, and closing that back up. And I'm going to do it on this side. Put this over here. I don't know if you saw, I already did one tutorial and I totally changed it up with a bunch of different beads. So So here's this one. Okay, now we're going to take this and we're going to open this up like that. And add that to that. And shut that down. And we're going to open this one up. I figured instead of you watching me put all of these onto the head pins and everything, I think pretty much everybody knows how to do that. So figured it would save a little bit on time for a video, because I tend to sometimes make really long videos. Okay. So here we are here. Now we're going to take, oh, wrong side. Take that side, open that up, and hook that through there. And that goes there. And then take this one, that up, hook that through there. Looking really cute. Then take this one, open that up, put that through there, and close it back up. And then I'm just going to finish one side. I think it's a little easier. Put that on there. And then open this one up and put this on. Go to this one, open that up, put this one on. Open this one up. And then this little mermaid bead. Loved these mermaid beads. Okay, so that's that side of the necklace. And now we're going to go to the side. We're going to open this up, put this on, and close it up. And then open this side up. That side. Okay. Hope everybody's having a good day. Okay, and then we do this. There we go. It's so pretty. And then the mermaid bead. Gotta love the mermaid bead. Okay. So this is it so far. It's got the little labradorite dangles, the mermaid bead, the moon and star pendant. Then I have the 2 moon pendants. And I have this on here. And I love the way this one turned out. Okay, so now we are going to attach, let me get one more of my jump rings. Where'd they go? Here they are. Keep them all in these little baggies. I have small ones, big ones, all different kinds. So, let's see. So we're gonna use this and attach this on. And that. I'm using an extra jump ring just because I don't want to, I want to have, you know, so that there's some movement here. I want it so that there's, you know, some movement here. And then this one goes on this pretty mermaid bead. And a toggle clasp. So pretty. I always just do that little pinch right there. And, oh, and here we have it. Love the way this turned out. Absolutely love this. Hope you guys are enjoying working with the Midnight Skies box for January of 2023. I can't believe it's already 2023. So, yeah, I think this turned out beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this. And let me know down in the comments. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, you need to hit that notification bell. First hit the subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And all of my social media is below. My Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, and my Facebook pages are below where I post. And let me know down in the comments, like I said, what you've been doing with your box, and if you like this, liked this tutorial or not. And hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on my next video. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.